Flexible PCBs for -40°C environments. Worried about solder joint cracking? Master these 3 key points for reliable low-temperature soldering. Solder. Choosing the right one is essential. Opt for Sen-Bi-based low-temperature soldering with a melting point around 138°C. It maintains good toughness at -40°C and resists brittle fracture. Avoid pure tin soldering, which tends to form tin whiskers at low temperatures, causing short circuits. 2. Substrate and pads. Laying the foundation. Select low-temperature resistant polyimide PI substrates to prevent deformation and strain on solder joints in extreme cold. For pad plating, use electrolytic gold over OSP for superior low-temperature oxidation resistance and more stable contact. 3. Processing and reinforcement. Double protection. Maintain soldering temperatures between 200 to 20°C to prevent thermal damage to flexible substrates. Reinforced solder joints in flexible areas with protective films or flexible adhesives to prevent cracking under bending stress. Summary. Mastering -40°C soldering hinges on 3 key points. Sen-Bi soldering, PI substrate plus electroplated gold pads, and optimized processing with reinforcement.